Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If you do like the sort of stuff, please don't forget to subscribe. And guys, I'd like to say a big massive thank you. I've just reached 500 subscribers, so I am absolutely over the moon. Thank you again. So as you'll see by the thumbnail guys, today we will be trying out Renew from System X. So before I go on and tell you a little bit more about the System X Renew, here's just a few snips of the water behaviour on this A1 bonnet. Now this A1 bonnet has been washed, deconned, clayed, and it would have been IPA'd, ready for this coating. You can use this in two ways. You can use it as is, spray, buff off and protection, or you can use it as a ceramic coating topper. So it does say to apply this product to a dry vehicle. So I'm just using the Max Shine drying towel just to get it nice and dry. Now if you are going to go out and buy this, don't be like I did guys. I was here spraying this trigger and I was like, why ain't it coming out? But there is a little clicky on and off on either side of the trigger spray, which I found which was quite quirky. So now we come on to the application. It was just literally a few sprays, buff on a circular motion, flip the microfiber and buff off. It was that easy and it was instant. The feel and slickness on this paint after this was unreal. So a little bit more about this product, the benefits of this product. They reckon it's a 9-month plus protection. Now I've put this on my wife's car so I can keep a close eye on it, and there will be an update every month on how this product is doing. It also adds gloss and super slickness to the finish, and I can tell you the camera doesn't do it justice. Honestly, the gloss and the clarity in this paint was lovely. Really very impressed. So now after this application, it does say wait 4 hours before getting the bonnet or any part of the car wet, and the product will fully cure in 24 hours. So this was the next morning. It was a good 18 hours I would have thought, and you can see that the water repellency compared to what we had in the beginning is very impressive. Now this is low pressure water. It's out of a watering can and the water's not hanging about. Lovely beautiful big beads, and when I take the watering can top off, it sheets the water instantly. Very impressive. They also say that this product is a multi-surface safe. Believe it or not, you can use it on your paintwork, your glass, your wheels, your trim, and apparently it says you can use it on metal, plastic, stone and sealed wood and more. They brand it as a coating like no other. So on their website it says the System X difference. It says designed with one thing in mind: performance. Renew uses only American made super polymers balanced to create the hardest, glossiest and slickest, most durable cured coating possible. So with such bold claims, I cannot wait to bring you guys the monthly updates on how this coating is lasting. So guys, a massive thanks for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to like and ring the notification bell. But I'd like to say a big massive thank you to System X for sending me this product, and if you've used any of these products, drop it in the comments below. I'd like to hear your thoughts on it. And guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully we'll have a little bit better weather so I can start making more content for you guys. Take care.